This is the Porsche Carrera GTS on a 2022 72 registration with just 25,000 miles on. But more importantly, the car's got full Porsche service history and it's got Porsche warranty up until March 2027. And I know a lot of my customers will see the benefit of that. Now the car's got lots of specification, but it's a GTS, so you've got power, you've got sound. It's a four-seater convertible finished in the colour that every Porsche driver wants, which is Crayon. Now with 25,000 miles, the condition of this car is superb. Very, very well looked after. The colour combination works very well. You've then got front rear parking sensors, LED daytime running lights, LED headlights, and then you have the GTS upgraded staggered wheels. That's 20-inch on the front and 21-inch on the back. But more importantly, the car with a live pricing is 104,990. Does anyone else think that's a little bit too low? Because for this, at £105,000, seems incredible value. You've then got, as for the interior, the GTS interior package, which has the GTS in Crayon on the headrest. You've also got the Crayon seat belts, sports chrono clock. You've then got the Race-Tex on the steering wheel. You've then got all the other features like the heated seats, the PDK gearbox, fully fitted mats, and nice, comfortable, sporty seats with Race-Tex on the centre. Now, Porsche call it Race-Tex, others call it Alcantara. You've then got that lovely matte black finish to the interior inlays. Carrera GTS entry kick plates, and as you come to around the back of the car, you've got the retractable rear spoiler, the LED rear lighting system, Porsche lettering finished in black, and the sport tailpipes finished in black as well. You've also got the black soft top here, where you can press one button and it comes up. On a day like today when the sun is out, enjoy the car every minute you drive it, with the hood down, with the wind going through your hair. In a fantastic condition, service history and warranty I've talked about already. You've got the sound, the performance, and it's a Porsche. The car does sell itself. What my clients look for is a nice, good mileage, good example, well spec'd, good colour combination, Porsche 911. And that's exactly what you get with the GTS. The car ticks every single box. It looks fantastic from every single angle. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp if you wish to know anything more about this particular car. Thank you, bye-bye.